bad, Mark. That ought to do. Kind of cold out there today. So I've got another driveway expansion project. Had a lot of those lately. It seems like this is another job for Greg, who is my day job boss, and he's always coming up with little projects here and there that I get to help out on. So I get to get away from my desk and go help him work on something. So I welcome it very much. I already drove the dump truck over there this morning, so now I'm just going to drive the backhoe over there, and we'll get started on it. Going to work with us? We brought all this stone over here from the driveway job we did earlier this summer. Now that beans are off, it's time to cut out a little bit more parking area so they can get the semis in and out of here.
Yeah, what he said.
I've been waiting on this for I've heard it for 5 years.
Well, the day has come.
Oh my. Oh my.
The day has come.
You're gonna get a bigger driveway, Steve.
Boy.
Your wish has come true.
Man.
I think we should go from lining up with that door and just cut straight to that corner.
Yep, that's what we had figured.
We'll just make it straight. We'll just dump the topsoil back there. I want to keep the topsoil.
Rex, you want to be a YouTube star?
Yes. Holy cow.
Hey,
Well, his
Rex.
name's not Levi, but Rex will do. There's a famous dog named Levi that's in a lot of these type of videos.
Rex is going to be in it, aren't you, bud?
Come here, Rex.
Come here. Do you have a can of orange paint?
Probably.
I got yellow.
Man, I hate it when stuff like that happens, and fortunately it doesn't happen very often for us, but I did want to point out that was Greg and the Bobcat, not his boy that you saw earlier in the video. So, you know what? I take blame for that. That was my fault. You should always yield the right of way to someone backing up. I mistakenly thought that Greg saw me as I approached. I was still kind of anticipating it because I started honking the horn, but he couldn't hear me. One thing led to another. That stuff happens. Matter of fact, that's why I stopped to take an opportunity to ask you, the viewer, if you've had anything similar like that happen. Maybe I won't feel so bad like I'm the only one, but you know, I screwed up. Stuff happens, but we move on. And Greg, I'm sorry for scratching your Bobcat. Anyway, I hope to hear from you down below, and let's just get back to the video.
It's your first battle scar. First one's the hardest, man. I was coming up behind you and I was honking the horn, going beep, 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 beep.
Here and there.
And then as soon as you start backing up, I started going in reverse.
I don't think this needs to be dug out anymore, do you?
I don't know. Alright, so that is all of our junk stone that we had back here. We got it cleaned up. Steve has hauled it up there to where we cut out that dirt. We're going to knock it down and hopefully call it a day here pretty quick. Greg's got this all smoothed up. I tell you, that dump truck has come in handy. I've used it a lot for just personal use stuff. You can pick up a few of them big ones yet, put them in the edge.
we got the stone knocked down. We're gonna have to order some more loads to put on top, but that's it for tonight. So, all right, I am here on my lunch break. I got a pile of stone that I can knock down and get scattered out in this new cutout area. Okay, well, we got that knocked down. Now all I'm waiting on is a couple more loads of stone to top dress it, and we'll call this little barnyard project complete. So let's watch for that stone. Where's my stone? It's after work now, and Bailey's made it here with 2 loads of stone that they kind of spread out. I told them they could spread it on this if they wanted to, and anyway, I want to get this leveled up so I can take the backhoe home tomorrow because I need to cut some firewood. Everyone knows you can't cut firewood without a backhoe, so. All right, that looked pretty good in that before and after flyover. This was a fun little project. We did it mostly during the lunch hour and after hours, so thanks for hanging in there. Thanks for checking out these videos. I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.